It's your boy Not a Nation, boy. I ain't been here in a while, but I ain't made no POV simply because I've been rapping my car, as you can tell. But look at it, bitch. I got the whole sunrise. I got the sunset on my hood, on the whole car. I still gotta wrap the mirror though. But we ain't finna talk about that. We don't finna get y'all a POV, but y'all know, I know y'all been missing that shit. Y'all been telling that shit in the comments. I don't finna get y'all what y'all want, bro. Oh God, I missed this shit for real. Righteously, bro. I just wrapped my car. I got a ticket 10 minutes after driving the car. I got 2 tickets. And then the day right before I wrapped the car, I got another ticket. So how I get 3 tickets in 4 days from doing nothing? Really just chilling, bro. That's what it's like when you black, bro. When you black in a Charger, bro. The police don't like you, bro. I don't understand. Y'all think you a drug dealer or some shit. I'm not a drug dealer. I don't even do drugs, fam. But they say that's the best drug dealer or whatever, so. Shit, I'm gonna mark that on my checklist. Oh, shit. Yeah, but I ain't been in the car in a while. But I ain't been, oh my goodness, bro. I missed this shit, bro. I ain't even get to do my introduction for it. I just said some shit. Hey, don't forget, bro. Like, share, subscribe button. I know this shit gonna be big one day. Stop playing with them. Oh, let me put this shit in track mode, fam. Take this shit out of ego. There we go. There we go. Wake it up. There we go. Fuck, bro. Everybody been blowing at me all day since I got my car out. They been blowing at me left and right. I don't know if they blowing at me or they just blowing. I don't know if they trying to get my attention or what. But this shit getting irritating. Nah, it ain't even no crazy color, but it's literally just pink with 2 stripes. Okay, I take that back. It is kind of gold sometimes, but we ain't finna talk about that. So I'll show y'all what we look like at the end of the video. If you want to skip it, that's even why you here. Just get to the end of the video, cause I will have to call you. I will talk about it a little bit with the sun beaming on it, cause you know it's sunny outside. You feel me? It was raining earlier too. I was finna just go home and go to sleep, but look at this dumb shit here. Look at this dumb shit. This how folks crash and shit. Niggas just be taking that shit, bro. And she got a pink steering wheel, a pink furry steering wheel. That's that. Bitches can't drive. I'm sorry, females can't drive. I ain't gonna say all of them, bro, but most females cannot drive, bro. And they say, fam, you are not me. Stop playing with them. Well, I'm finna get so active, but I don't even know if I can for real, cause I just got a front splitter too. And my last one came off on some wet pine stuff, so. Ooh, bitch, I'm in the dope, bitch. Come on, man. They get active, man. They get on the freeway, man. Let's just go, man. I see the police, I'm running. I'm not getting no more tickets. That shit dead. Get over because you're going too slow. Look at all that damn space in front of you. You're going dead ass slow, fam. Talk shit about nobody car here because I don't know if they be watching my videos, and this is kind of, I ain't gonna say this shit the hood area, but these folks ghetto as hell. They might try some shit. Oh shit! I ain't gonna hit it too hard. Is that a Charger right there? Bro, it's a hard ass, that white Charger. What that is? 392. The rims on that hoe go hard. I can't lie. That bitch shit good. Now do I want to let my sunroof up, or do I want to? I just keep it like this. Why when I want to get on the freeway, the FedEx truck, I get behind the FedEx truck? That be my luck, man. My 2 FedEx. Are you serious? That ain't 2. I consider that 3. Whoever the fuck that was in the comments too, talking about what language are you speaking? Nigga, this my language, bitch. I speak this shit, nigga, not too. Damn. You got 18-wheeler, nigga, let me go. Let me go, fam. I wonder if you gonna let me go. traffic like a mug. Oh God, I can't stop nowhere. Oh shit, bumpy as hell. I'm sorry. Look at that shit. I love them Cadillacs, bro. I can't lie. Them hoes go too hard. He ain't trying to run it though. Fuck no, he not trying to run it. I think that's like a 3.0 liter, something like that. That shit do look good as hell though. I cannot lie. Come on, man, bro. It's too much traffic for this shit. What time it is? It ain't even 5 o'clock yet. Damn, my whole signal light still on. Also testing my window louver out, and you see it ain't came off yet. I think I did a pretty good damn job. I know you see me in your rear view. Get the fuck out of my way. I wanna go around. I think I'm gonna go around. Bumpy than them all. Oh, dang, bitch. Bitch, you should not be driving that slow on the freeway, fam. Get your ass on the side. Get your ass all the way on the right. You driving slow as hell. Niggas about to crash out here because your ass. By the way, I forgot to tell you, bitch, this GTA roleplay. This is not no real life. Do not forget that. This is GTA roleplay all day. Stop playing with me. I need to get somebody reaction while they. I'm gonna see if I can record their ass. They record they face when they see this pink ass Charger fly by. Damn, she ain't even look. What about them? You can't even see their ass because they got that dark ass tint. Hold on. Let's see if they gonna look. Everybody in this motherfucker got the tint darker than me. What the fuck? I'm not gonna fuck with his ass. He might repo my shit. Fuck no. I'm ahead on my car though. But still, though, I do not trust them motherfuckers. I be scared as hell. Oh shit! Damn, I should have got his face. Better not be no police. There better not be no police. Nah, there ain't no police. Damn, fam, look at that. It's always the Optimus drivers, bro. When they got they fucked up car like that, bro, do not trust them niggas. They will hit your shit and run. Look at this tail light, bro. You can't even see it. Let me get a little closer. You see this dude's tail light, bro? His shit waving at a nigga, bro. Let me move, actually. Cause that shit like he finna fly off. If you fly off, he gonna keep that bitch going. Yeah, I can't even move. I should. Fuck, I don't feel like it is. But y'all let me know what color I should wrap my car next. Cause I'm thinking about it. I'm already tired. I just wrapped this shit and I'm already tired of it. The color go hard. Can't lie. The color is like one of the best colors I ever had on my car. But I'm tired of it already. Niggas keep blowing this shit and I don't like that shit at all. Big neck ass boy, I'm on your shit, nigga. Let me stop language, my bad, I apologize. Yo, I can't even get through this shit, bro. Unless I go all the way around, but that's risky, you feel me? That's kind of risky, so I could do it. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. by the way, just saying. I'm finna be shooting 3 feet long flames out this mug. Man, real shit, bro. If you were paying attention to the traffic on the other side, bro, everybody got white cars. That's why I don't like that shit, bro. I could not get a white car. I couldn't get no white car or no black car. Everybody got white and black cars. That's how you see on the road right now. And silver. White, black, and silver. Damn, bro. These niggas finna make me get aggravated out there. They just in the way. Do I need to get the fuck out the way? What is that, a RT or a G? That's a damn GT. I ain't even gonna play with his ass. You in a V6, boy. I ain't shitting on nobody with a V6. V6, I fuck with them, but don't try me. Not being cocky, because I still get beat by a fucking Hellcat. And I know my spot. Damn, nigga! Ultimate driver. That's what I'm talking about. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. And hit it. Fuck no. Hell nah, nigga. Ain't nobody supposed to be going 40 something on the damn freeway. What y'all doing, fam? Fuck out the way, fam. What the fuck? Why he pushing that mother, ain't it? I'm not gonna do all that shit, bro. I just ride my car. I do not want to crash. I want to at least enjoy this shit for like a month, a good month, and I'll be satisfied. Shit say keep moving, bro. Why is you stopping? Dumbass. That's what hold up traffic. Stupid fuck. I'm sorry. I ain't even. Damn, but that damn Cadillac, that color on that Cadillac go hard. That's like the opposite of what I got. My shit like pink is orange, but he got the bluish with the pearl in it. Look at that shit, bro. That shit kind of go hard, fam. I roll my window down, fam. That shit kind of go hard. It got a pink metallic in it. Oh shit. Yes sir. That be go hard. Let me get the fuck out. Why, body? That be hard. Why the wheels sit like that, though? I got over here a little bit too fast. Usually this shit take me like 30 minutes to get here. My fault, fam. My show was at a red light and forgot to press record. Damn. Look at all this damn traffic, bro. That shit wild. But that would it be like, I heard Atlanta, bro. Atlanta traffic, bro. Fuck no. Ain't no getting through that. You in there for like a good hour just to go 10 feet. What the hell? I'd never be down there. Fuck no. I'd never move down there. Nigga, y'all supposed to turn y'all signal on. Let that bitch click 3 times, then Yeah, I'm not finna let your ass over. Get the fuck back, fuck boy. Get the fuck back, fuck boy. Let me stop. I'm sorry. Alright, everybody, man. See, that's that shit, but that make me want to downshift so bad just to push your ass off the road. These niggas, they really be cutting in front of folks with their signal light on. They turn that bitch on, as soon as that bitch go on, they go. Ain't give me no time for nothing, no update, none of that. Ain't let me know shit, you just went for it. Well, shit, man, damn phone act retarded, the shit overheating. So, hey, I'll be back with y'all in this video, but y'all already know about it. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe. If you want to see more, let me know in the comments down below. And, once again, what rap should I go with? Y'all let me know down in the comments, because I think I want to go green, for real, like a bright green. But, shit, anyway, I'll catch y'all in this video. Shit, I'm out of here.